Okay, hi, it's Debbie from What's Mama Cooking For Us. I'm just going to show you how I make my rice, my brown rice, and how I make it better. So we're going to put 1 3/4 cups of water, because usually it's always 2 to 1, so 1 cup, but I always do mine a little shy of the water. And then I always put, let's bless it with some olive oil, a little bit, just a little. Not much. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place. I'm gonna put a 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric. In case I'm not saying that properly, it's turmeric. And I'm gonna put some parsley and some chives. 1 pat of butter. Hang on, bear with me guys. And I'm going to put a little, hold on guys, let me get it. A little of the coarse bouillon. So I'm going to put about a teaspoon. So 2/4. And that's the Knorr's, I don't know, Knorr's, chicken bouillon. And put your brown rice in, 1 cup. And give it a really good stir. Because you don't want to stir this a lot. It's got salt. You don't need a lot because you're using that chicken bouillon. So just a little salt. And a little pepper. I'm sorry, my camera's all over the place. Okay, so let's see, we got everything. And did I tell you the hot pepper? So there's hot peppers. And you just buy those in the grocery store in the vegetable section. They're just dried chilies. Or you can just use hot pepper flakes. But yeah, there you go. And I'm just going to put this on and let it cook with the directions call for. On the package, and I'll be back when we're at the next step. Okay, yeah, so we're just going to bring this to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, take it down to a simmer, stir it once after it comes to a boil, bring it down to a simmer, and then it needs to cook 45 minutes because this is brown rice. But if you're using white rice or a different rice, just follow the package directions. But this is just how I doctor it up a little bit, just so it gives it more flavor and it's just not so plain and boring. And we're going to eat this with our roast. And that came to a boil pretty fast. So now I'm going to put that on a simmer. And I'm going to put this, tin foil on there. And put the top right on like that. And I'm going to use my pot holder in a minute and push it down. Yeah, because it's really hot. So don't forget, put it on a simmer, 45 minutes, set your timer. Okay, and then it should be done, and then you just fluff it up when it's all done. Okay, look at that rice. I'm just gonna fluff it up. I forget, I usually put onions in there too, but I just used my last onion. But, let's give that a little taste. Just a tiny taste, that's hot. It's perfect. Oh yeah, and look at that roast. Look at that. You guys, wait till I plate this up. We are gonna eat good tonight.